Good morning, guys. This is the hard worker, guys. This is what they are doing during 10 o'clock in the morning. Some are still working, some are drinking coffee. Oh, there's a other guy. There's an ice cream. Dito lang sa Canada may bike. Construction site. Pinoy yan, Pinoy. Ano? Gumagawa pa yung iba. So, ito yung trabaho namin dito, guys. So, kapi tayo. Coffee tayo. Ganyan lang buhay sa construction. Ito, umataw pa yung iba. Tapos yung grupo namin nagkakapi na. Grupo ng mga blokon, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsuporta. Matagal tayong naka-update. Thank you. Bye-bye.